Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to allow pop-ups on browser in mobile. Pop-ups, those pesky windows that pop up when you visit certain websites, can be annoying, distracting, and even dangerous if they contain malware. Most website browsers like Google Chrome block pop-ups by default. But there are some cases where pop-ups might be helpful. For example, Amazon uses them to let you chat with customer service. If you want to allow pop-ups for specific sites or even for all sites, you can do so in Google Chrome desktop or mobile browser app. Here's how to do it. Open the Google Chrome. In the top right corner, tap Profile. Then, select Settings. Then type Site Settings. On the Site Settings, tap Pop-ups and Redirects. Now, slide the switch to the left to turn off pop-up blocking. To allow pop-ups for specific sites only, at the bottom of a page where pop-ups are blocked, tap Always Show. If you see pop-up block appear in the address bar when you navigate to the site, click it. Then, click the link for the pop-up you want to see. Finally, select Always Allow Pop-ups and Redirects from Site, and then click Done. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.